These are the chives, and these are the roots and the bulb of the green onions. So I'm putting them here one by one at a time. I'm gonna water these. Hi, good evening. It's June 24, 2019. It's Monday. It's bright outside, but it's already almost 7 p.m. I'm here tonight to show you these green onions. Last month, my aunts from the Philippines visited me here, and we did a lot of grocery shopping, and we did not want to waste these green onions. So last month, it looks like this.
Gupitin mo lang.
Gugupitin ko lang ang
Gupitin mo lang ito. Yan, gupit lang. Ito, gupit.
Para?
Tapos ilubog mo siya doon.
Ilulubog ko siya doon.
Doon kahit saan dyan. Sa gilid, doon.
O di kaya sa isang side doon.
Basta kahit saan side lang.
Sige.
Gupitin mo lang ito.
Oo.
Tapos ilubog mo lang
Lubog
siya.
ko na yan. Lahat yan. And then, now, it has grown tremendously, and it's time for me to cut these and regrow the bulbs in the soil. So I have here a trowel and a cultivator. So this is the trowel and this is the cultivator for gardening. So, and I also have a couple of pots there outside at the flower bed, so I'm going to show you. But these are the green onions. See? It has grown significantly. However, because of my busy schedule, others have died. But these are not green onions though. I don't know what their names are, but this is ginger. This was a ginger, and another onion right here. Yeah, because I did tomatoes. Yeah, these are tomatoes, and these are onions and ginger. And I don't know what these are. I forgot. I think these are also green onions, or maybe asparagus. I remember these are asparagus, but I didn't have time to regrow them, so they died. However, I can still save this, but the tips are not looking good anymore. So, but I'm just gonna cut this right here, and I'm gonna regrow the roots outside. I already found a spot where I could plant this. Okay, so see you later. Let's go outside. Hi, we're here outside my house. This is at the backyard, and this is the spot where I'm gonna regrow these onions, green onions. These are the green onions. That's the green onions. I'm gonna regrow the roots. Have a pair of scissors, styrofoam, the trowel, the cultivator, and gardening gloves. And these are the pots that I'm gonna use. This one, I'm gonna bury them under this. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this. But I think before I cut it, I'll just go ahead dig a spot here so that I could put this underground. Okay. See? I'm using the trowel to transfer soil to this spot. So I'm transferring, digging this soil, putting them here in the pot. Like that. There's now this hole that I could use to put this pot inside to stabilize the pot. This is my first time to do this, by the way. 41 years of my existence, this is my first time to do gardening. This is my first time to plant something. It's green onions. I believe I did pretty good with this. Now, I'm gonna cut these green onions. Okay? And I'm gonna, of course, cook these chives of these green onions. The only part that I'm gonna regrow are the roots. See? These are the chives, and these are the roots and the bulb of the green onions. So I'm gonna cut it near the base, right here. There you go. So these are the cut portions. I cut the chives of the green onions, and now these are the roots. I'm gonna regrow here. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. So let's see. Let's do 11 here. 1, and I think it has to be like an inch apart. 2, 3. Let's use this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's use my finger. So I'm putting them here one by one at a time. Digging another hole so I could use the other part. So that's how they look like. I make sure that there's like an inch apart. These are the green onions that I'm trying to regrow. That's it. And now just put this on the side, that trowel and cultivator, and these are the chives of the green onion. So that's it. Well, what I have to do now is I'm gonna water these. Okay, and I'm gonna water these green onions. So these are the green onions. Hoping that this will be successful, that I'll be able to regrow the roots of the green onions. Thanks for watching, guys. Just subscribe to my channel if you want more updates, and it's interesting that it's my first time to do gardening, and these are green onions. Shout out to my aunt Cora who taught me how to do this. Okay guys, talk to you later. Bye bye. Green onions.